Hello, teacher. I remember a day when I was 21 years old. It was one of the happiest days of my life. As soon as I woke up, I knew that it was time on my husband asked me if I was ready to give birth. I would not have idea, but although I was painful, my baby was born, giving me a lot of happiness and acta of the past that time. I remember when I get my dad taking care from my take care of my until my 90 years old. I am doing the same with son. I feel me very happy. Now that I remember, I was left very happy with my father. I had very good memories. He raised me like father and mother. I appreciate much his effort, and when I finish the voucher my father had, my wish many for go to that excursion. It was remembrance. It was in Cartagena. I could not believe it. I now see, and is that when I want I can, and if I work, I will achieve to be happy in all moment. Thank you very much.